Happy birthday to the coconut. 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 It's been a year. And now it's got good weather. We've even had a little bit of rain. It's got its humidity that it likes. Came back from whatever minor slump that it had. And the two spears that were seen at the last update, those are these, I believe, popping out. I don't see another one coming up yet. So, get to the bottom of that, but it has to do some work on what it has. Anyway, looks like this. It's pretty big a year later. Might be creating a monster here, but I like it. Makes the deck nice with all my other stuff. I don't think I'll ever put it in the ground, but maybe if I get another one, I'll experiment with that. But nah, gotta be careful with this thing. And he's thriving, and he should be fine till October or November out here. So hopefully it'll start growing faster. 1 year later, here's the coconut.